Well, I'm going to try to attempt to get 2 uploads today. This will be the second video for today, because I'm probably not going to be able to upload tomorrow, so I'm going to try to get 2 uploads today. I'm in my trailer right now, just filming this. I can't do 2 upper fans. That's sad. Let me try this again. Nope. Like I said, the Glo-Mod review and unboxing is coming soon, so definitely be looking forward to that. I will. So, yeah. Oh, there. I'm going to try to be a daily upload type channel, so yeah. Every time it hits 3 minutes, it goes black, which I need to fix the settings on my camera, but I have to touch it to make it go back to normal. Oops, I was getting too fast right there. Okay, well, guess I'll see you in the next video, probably either tomorrow or on Monday. So yeah, thanks again to people who have subscribed and watched my videos. Let's see if I can end on a good note right here.